Hello everyone, Yellow Mustang here once again with another game development video. Today we're going to be working on improving the lizard AI, I think. Well, improving in the fact that I want to optimize this. Essentially, I want to take this lizard AI script out of here, and then all the lizards are going to run off of one script. So we don't have a bunch of script instances inside all of the lizards. We'll just have one loop running in the server script service that handles every single lizard, I guess, is hopefully how that's going to go today. Let's see here. So I'm going to take that out of there. I'm going to rename this to lizard NPC or lizard logic, I guess is fine. Let's make a folder for this. And we can just call this folder like enemy code or enemy logic, and then we'll just put this lizard logic in the enemy logic. Okay, should be good. And then we can just clone out of here. Okay, so next thing we want to edit is in here. So spawn enemies. Each lizard that we spawn, we want to have a tag on it. So let's see here. So we want to do, where does it clone the enemy at? So right here, enemy clone. So I think before we can set the parent, we can set the tag in there. So let's do this. So we'll do local collection service equals game get service collection service, and collection service is what lets us tag stuff to loop through. Essentially, it's just gonna like let us access like a list of all the enemies. So we're gonna do collection service add tag. Let's see, what is it? Add tag instance tag string. Okay, so the instance is going to be our enemy, I think. Yeah, we'll just tag the enemy. So we'll tag the enemy, and then we'll tag it as lizard. And then we can easily access everything that has this lizard tag on it that's in the workspace. So using that, we can go over to our lizard logic. I got way too many things open here. We're gonna take a break from working on the spaceman skills for a while, because we did that for like 4 episodes, and people are tired. I'm tired. Everybody's tired of that shit. Okay, so let's see here. So lizard logic, yeah, this should probably just be added to the enemy spawner thing. So it'll put it in the workspace, right? Let's see. Enemies, clone, enemy parent equals workspace. Okay, move to, and then we can just set all the network owner in here to be nil. So we'll just do enemy get descendants. And there we go. So that'll save us some code also. So there, every enemy that gets cloned out of here will automatically have the server own all the network physics, so it won't look laggy. So that should be good. So let's go in here, and we'll define the collection service in here also. So local collection service equals game get service collection service. Okay, so cool. So we probably gotta rewrite this whole thing, right? Yeah. So all these local my head, my whatever. Attack handler. Oh god, we're using spawn also. Great. Okay, let's make sure we call our thread handler too. So local thread handler equals require game dot server script storage dot modules dot thread handler. Cool. And then I believe we want this to just be damage handler now. Where is the red line? Here it is. Switch this over to damage handler. Okay, so we can probably reuse most of these functions. We're just going to have to give it some more arguments in the data to make this work. But overall, I think this will be much more efficient. Okay, so attack handler. I kind of almost want to rewrite this whole thing. So let's get rid of whatever. We'll rewrite some of it. So my human dot died. Yeah, we'll keep that. Okay. So let's start down here. So we'll do while true do wait. And then we want to loop through all of the tags. So we'll do wait, and we'll do if number, let's see, number collection service dot get tagged lizard is less than 0 or less than or equal to 0. Then we will wait 3 seconds, I guess. 3-second delay. Nah, 1 second. 1 second will be fine. And then we'll just do else in here. And then else we will do the actual logic. So we can do... So let's just do it in here. I guess. Oh, man, this is tough. I guess we can just loop through it. So we'll do for IV and I pairs. Collection service. Get tagged lizard. Okay, well, let's not do that twice. So let's do local lizards equals this, and then we'll do if the number of lizards is greater or less than or equal to 0, then we'll just pause. If we do have lizards in the workspace, then we'll do this. So for IV and I pairs, collection service get tagged. No, we don't need that. We just do lizards do. And then I guess pretty much we'll just run main, right? Yeah. So target, find target. So what is find target's based off of all this information. Okay, so we can't have this information out here because this is not relevant anymore. So let's move all this information to main. So we'll call main, and we'll just tell it what lizard we're on. So we'll do V. Then we'll do main V. So that's the current lizard we're on. And there we go. Okay, so now we got main. So my human would be V, because it's the lizard model. V.humanoid root part, V.parent torso, V.script.parent head. Okay, cool. So local target equals nil. Find target, all that good stuff. Yeah. So in here, how do we want to keep track of what target we are on? So if target equals nil, so where's target declared at? Is target's up here. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna have shoot cool up here either. We'll just do local target equals find target. And then, let's see here. So find target. What information do you need? You need our torso position, so we'll do, or humanoid root part position, and then it will go ahead and search the players for a target. That is fine. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and pass find target, and we'll just pass my root over to that function. Yeah, so if target, yada yada yada. Why do we need the humanoid? We don't need the humanoid. Target equals nil, then whatever, don't need that. Okay, cool. So if target, then if not check site target or check dist, my root target greater than 15, path to target. Okay, and then path to target should be happy, right? No. So what do we need in here? We are mad about my human. We are mad about my root. Okay, so we'll just put my root, my human in here. Cool. And then we will just pass the variables into here. So let's see. Check site. So path to target. My root. Well, no, I think it is target first. So it's target, my root, my human. Okay, cool. And then check site is probably going to be mad too, right? Yeah, so check site also needs my root. So try and keep this in the same order. So check site, my root, and target. So draw the ray there. Check dist. Okay. Check dist is good. Perfect. So now this should allow us to pathfind to, we should at least be able to walk over to where we want to go now off of this. I'm trying to think of a good way of connecting this event in here somewhere. I don't want to throw it in a while loop. So I'm fairly new with the collection service. I don't know if the collection service has like an event like tag added. As far as I can tell, no. No, one of what we could do though, we could just check stuff being added to the workspace and then check see if it has a tag. So we can do like workspace dot child added connect child, or sorry, connect function and then child in there, and then we can do like collection service if collection service dot has tag child lizard, then child dot humanoid yada yada, right? So then we can just go ahead and connect this in here. Oh, Jesus Christ, that looks ugly. Wonder what? Maybe. All right, maybe we'll just create a died function so that doesn't look like absolute ass. Okay, let's do function died. Oh, we don't need that. Parentheses in there. Okay, so child.humanoid dot died connect died. We need to pass we need to pass like what stuff to like remove, what the model and humanoid is. So what is, all right, I know we're doing it, guys. We're looking at the damn API. So let's look at Roblox humanoid. So let's go down to the died event, and I want to see what it passes. Roblox signal. It doesn't pass anything. Okay, so we pull 0 information from died. So we need to do died, my human, my torso. Died. We can do died. Lizard. Yeah, sure. So we can do connect function. Child. Or sorry, function died lizard end. Or not lizard, sorry, child. So there. That is kind of a hacky way to do it, but that should work. So now when child humanoid.died connect, all that happens, then it will go ahead and run this and it will clean up. So we can go ahead and pull my human lizard.humanoid local my torso equals lizard.torso. Okay, there. So now it should be able to die without issue. So I'm pretty sure, so I know we're connecting an event here, and this will use memory, but I'm pretty sure after the lizard humanoid gets added into debris, and gets removed from the workspace, then the connection automatically disconnects due to it not being in the workspace anymore. It won't listen for this. I'm pretty sure. If it doesn't, we're going to have to find a way to disconnect this event somehow, but that should be fine for now. So the last thing we need to do is figure out how we're going to get this guy to shoot. So I guess in main, I mean, I don't know why I had shooting on a separate thread anyways. Oh, and I got a delay in there too. Okay, well, let's make sure we spawner, right? Oh, do I not have spawner in here? Or sorry, no, it's thread. Thread handler dot spawner that connect function. Wait 1. Okay, there. No delay, no wait, or no delay, no spawn will be used in this series anymore. Okay. So for handling multiple of these guys, how... Well, let's just get it to shoot first, I guess. So main, if check site, then path to target. So yeah, that's the problem, is path to target is going to hog the thread, and that's why I had shooting on a separate thread. So while wait do lizards main. So I guess we can just set up a separate thread in here maybe. So when it's added, it'll automatically start this shooting loop thing. So we can do like thread handler dot spawner that is it, right? Start spawner, whatever. Let me just make sure that I'm using the right thing here. Thread handler. Yeah, it is spawner. Okay, cool. Alright, so thread handler, spawner, and then we want to... Oh, we're running out of time here. Let's see, how long is the video? 19 minutes. Alright, we got like 1 more minute to get this shit done here. So thread handler dot spawner, and then we want to handle the shooting for the thing, right? So we can do like function. Oh no, I forgot my spawner is actually good. So we can call, let's see. So attack handler. Yeah, but find, so the problem is these things need to talk to each other though, right? Yeah, we'll just have to figure this. I'm gonna have to think about this issue. This is kind of complicated, but I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.